Hello friends, let's make some real orange biscuits today. For this we need 4 cups gluten-free or plain flour, 250 grams softened butter, 1/4 cup brown or white sugar, 4 oranges, these are for its juice and zest, 2 teaspoon baking powder, 2 whole eggs, you can remove 1 yolk for the egg wash, 3/4 cup orange juice. Now we will take the zest of the 4 oranges and juice of the 4 oranges. Now if it's preferable to get half to 3/4 cups of fresh orange juice. Mix the zest and keep it aside. Now we will start creaming the butter and sugar together. Cream it very well. Add eggs. Keep this. Mix in the orange and the orange juice and the zest also and keep it aside. Meanwhile, mix baking powder into the flour and mix it very well. And into the wet ingredients, mix dry and mix this very well. Now since this is gluten-free flour I'm using, it's very sticky, so you may increase the quantity of the dry flour to 4.5 cups. Now we'll roll out. You may keep the dough in the refrigerator if it's very sticky, and make small balls out of this and keep it in a lined baking tray. With the egg wash, I have added some cream to egg yolk and brushed all the biscuits and cook them in the oven at 170 degrees C for at least 25 minutes. Now these have turned out so well and they have puffed up and they have they have cracks. They have opened up and they have cracks in them that you could see. Now this is another way of making very thin and crispy biscuits. You may roll out the dough in between 2 parchment papers and cut out various shapes and bake it at the same temperature, 170, with or without egg wash, that is up to you, at 170 degrees C for 20 to 25 minutes. Now the better ones for getting the orange, the real orange taste. Now these are incredible tasting. These remind us of the orange cream biscuits without any cream being there. For getting the real orange taste, they have to be big. The thicker ones, the scone-like ones which we made earlier, these types are they are the better, which give the real orange taste. Please do make these and get compliments from your friends and family. This is an easy biscuit which anybody can try. So please do share and subscribe to Gluten Free India for more recipes. Thank you.